Hari Om and good evening. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2. Gita Dhyanam first. Om Parthaya Pradibodhidam Bhagavada Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathidam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaita भगवतीमष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ददामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु देव्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्रा येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपा प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतं दुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दना पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुदं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनां देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतथा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनि सोत्तीर्णः खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तककेशवा पाराशर्यवच सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथासम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानां मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजकलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्कुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवै वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदै गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततद्गदेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्दं न विदु सुरा असुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं 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 सर्वलोकैकनाथं। One bhajan. Hare Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. So today we are into a new chapter, which is chapter 2. Chapter 2 is otherwise called Sankhya Yoga. Chapter 2 consists of 72 verses and consists of Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. All the three yogas are there in this chapter. And it is said that a person who knows this chapter knows the whole of Gita, because it deals with all the three parts of Bhagavad Gita mainly, namely Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Jnana Yoga or Sankhya Yoga. So this chapter is called Sankhya Yoga itself. Sankhya means knowledge. So Sankhya Yoga, yoga of knowledge. So we have seen how Arjuna had put down the bow and arrow after arguing with Krishna that I should not kill my own kith and kin. In fact, by seeing his own kith and kin, he could not mentally prepare for a fight. And that is why he put down his bow and arrows and told Krishna that I am not in a position to fight. Now, verse number 1 of chapter 2. Sanjaya uvacha tam tatha kripaya vishta masrupurna kulechanam Vishidandamidam vakya muvaja madhusudanaha. Tam means to him. Tam means to him. Tatha. Kripayavishtamasrupurna kuleshanam, who was grieved and whose eyes were filled with tears. Vishidandam idam vakyam uvaja madhusudana. So to such a person who is Arjuna, Krishna told the following verses. Sri Bhagavan uvaja, verse number 2. कुतस्त्वा कश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्गमकीर्तिकरम् अर्जुन. Kuta means how you have become kashmalamidam vishame samupastidam anaryajushtam asurgam agirtikaram. Arjuna, seeing the state of affairs of Arjuna, Krishna told him that his condition is not suitable to an Aryan, Anarya Justam Aswargam Agirtikaram Arjuna. It is not befitting to an Aryan. Aryan is one who is ready to fight. That is those belonging to the Kshatriya caste. They don't refuse to fight. When it becomes inevitable to fight, they don't turn back. In other words, it is one of the qualities of a Kshatriya not to run away from the battlefield. It is one of the qualities of Kshatriya. Kshatriya means who is born with the qualities of war. That is warring qualities. Is Kshatriya. A person who is born with the qualities of learning is Brahmana. A person who is born with the qualities of war is Kshatriya. And a person who is born with the qualities of business is Vaishya. And a person who is born with the servant qualities is Shudra. This is how the caste is divided. And not, it is by their action and not by birth, actually, which these qualities can be inculcated also. These qualities can be inculcated. Kutastva kashmalamidam vishame samupastidam anaryajushtam asurgam akirtikaram. This is anaryam. Anaryam means it is not suitable to Arya. Anaryajushtam, aswarga, akirtikaram. It is not kirti. Kirti means fame. It is infamous. Klaibyam asma gamapartha naidatyupapadhyade. Verse number 3. Klaibyam asma gamapartha naidatyupapadhyade. Chudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvo uttishta parantapa. Tyaktvo uttishta parantapa. Tyaktvo uttishta means you cast off your klaibyam. Klaibyam means unmanliness. Unmanliness is called klaibyam. Klaibyam means the not having the masculine qualities is called klaibyam. Klaibyam asma gamapartha naidatyupapadyade is not suitable to you. Unmanliness. Chudram hridaya daurbalyam. It is because of your weakness of your mind. Hridaya daurbalyam. Tyaktva uttishta. Tyaktva means cast off. Uttishta, arise. Parantapa. Parantapa means actually Arjuna. Parantapa. So you cast off the weakness of your mind and rise above from your mental state, present mental state. That is the fallen mental state. You have to rise up. Klaibyam. It is not suitable to a man. It is unmanliness. Klaibyam. It was like a arrow it was like an arrow shot to Arjuna to rise up from the mouth of Krishna. Arjuna uvaja. Verse number 4. Kadam bhishma maham sankhye dronam cha madhusujana ishu vipradiyosyami pujarha varisudana. Pujarha varisudana means a person who is suitable, who is suitable for worship. How can you fight to a person who is suitable, who is in the position of worship? How can you fight against him? Katham Bhishma. Katham means how. Bhishma maham sankhye. Sankhya means in the battlefield. Dronam cha Madhusudana, Drona and Madhusudana. And Dronam cha Madhusudana asking Madhusudana means Krishna. Ishubi Pradiotsami, Pujarha Varisudana, to a person who is in the position of worship, how can you fight against him? Guru Nahatva hi Mahanubhavan, verse number 5. Guru Nahatva hi Mahanubhavan, Sreyo Bhoktum Bhaishyamapi haloge, Hatvarta Kamamstu Guru Nihaiva, Bhunjiya Bhogan, Ruthira Pradigdan. It is better to take to arms. Begging is better than killing your own gurus, your own teachers, is what Arjuna tells to Krishna. Digdya kadaranno gariyo yadya jayema yadivano jayeyu yaneva hatva na jijivishama stevastida pramukhe dhartarashtra nachaiva digda kadaranno gariyo yadya jayema yadivano jayeyu yaneva hatva na jijivishama stevastida pramukhe dhartarashtra. What is the use of winning over Dhritarashtra, who is his own kith, who is his own relation, and getting a victory over the war? Karpanya dosho pahada swabhava pruchami tvam dharma samuda cheda yas shreyasyan nischidam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shakhimam tvam prapannam. Karpanya dosho pahada swabhava pruchami tvam dharma samuda cheda yas shreyasyan nischidam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shakhimam tvam prapannam. This is verse number 7. This is the surrendering verse. By this verse, Arjuna surrenders before Krishna to give him light, to give him knowledge. What should I do? Because he is in confusion. Karpanya dosho pahada, because he is a born Kshatriya, he believes that the muscle is more powerful than the mind, and it is because of that is the called Karpanya dosha. He believes that the muscle is more powerful than mind. Pruchami tvam dharma samuda che. That is why I have become dharma samuda. Dharma samuda means I am not in a position to choose which path is better. Yes, Shreyasyan nischidam bruhitan me. Please tell me which is more beneficial to me. Shreya, which is more Shreya or beneficial to me. Shishyasteham shakhimam tvam prabannam. I surrender to you, and therefore tell me which is the best course of action that I must choose. This is the surrendering verse. This is the verse by which explains surrendering of Arjuna before Krishna. And only after surrendering, Krishna explains to Arjuna. Krishna gives the message of Gita to Arjuna, not explains. He gives the message of Gita to Arjuna only when the surrendering takes place. Therefore, anybody who is a student must surrender to his or her teacher, and then only the real knowledge will come. Surrendering is, in other words, condition precedent to knowledge. Surrendering is condition precedent to knowledge. Nahi prabhasyami mamapanudyat यच्छोगमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपन्न मृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोगमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाच्य भूमावसपन्न मृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यं. What is the use of getting the kingdom and the power to rule the kingdom when after killing your own relations? Sanjay uvaja evam uktva rishikesham gudageshavaram tapa na yotsya idi govindam uktva trushni vabhuvaha. So said, Arjuna surrendered before Krishna. Tamuvaja rishikesha prahasanniva bharada. Verse number 10. Tamuvaja rishikesha prahasanniva bharada senayorupayor madhye vishi dandamidam vaja. Then Krishna gave the message which is in the form of Srimad Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, who surrendered before Krishna in the midst of the warring forces arrayed on both sides, one Kaurava and the other Pandava. So in the midst, because in the midst the Ratham, that is the vehicle was stationed in between these two warring forces, as asked by Arjuna to Krishna. The Ratham was stationed, and on seeing the forces ready to fight war, his own kith and kin, he refused to fight. And thereafter Arjuna surrenders in as per verse number 7. Karpanya dosho pahadasvabhava pruchhami tvam dharma samuda cheda yasreyasyan nischidam bruhi tanme sishyasteham shakhimam tvam prapannam. When Arjuna surrenders, then Krishna gives him the real philosophy, the real message, which is in the form of Bhagavad Gita, which starts from verse number 11, which I will be taking from tomorrow. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyade Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasichyade. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Narayana 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 Narayana. Thank you for listening.